What's going on, everyone? We got another reset. Today we have a Motorola Edge 20 Fusion. Pretty cool phone here. And this is one of those situations where if you forgot your pattern or your passcode and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, just I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Just always, as always, remember when you do one of these, you will delete all the data off your phones. If you have something important, just know that it's gonna get deleted. So be mindful when doing this. So first we gotta turn off the phone. We have power button right there. Sorry if you guys can see that better. And then you have your volume buttons right there, volume up and volume down. So let's turn off the phone first. Oops. Oh, it's not letting us turn off because of the because of the pattern. So what we want to do is we want to hold both the volume up and down and power buttons at the same time until the phone basically shuts off. Sometimes you'll do a screenshot too in the process. Just keep holding all the buttons and the phone will shut off. As soon as it shuts off, hold volume down and power key, let go of holding up volume up. So basically you have to force it to do a restart real quick, but you want to hit the recovery buttons right away, which is volume down and power. So basically you just let go of volume up and you'll be right in here. Get to a screen like this, you want to use your volume buttons to navigate up and down, and then your power buttons enter. So if you want to restart the bootloader or see barcodes or power off or whatnot, but we need recovery mode. So we get to recovery mode, we hit enter. It'll take a second to load, and it loads to a no command screen. When you get here, it's usually power and volume up. I usually like to hold the power button and then just tap the volume up button, and then it brings up the reset menu. And then from there, we want to scroll down to where it says wipe data factory reset. It went too far. Hit power button, this is your enter button, so you hit enter. And scroll down to factory reset again. And there it is. After you're done, you just hit the enter button to reboot the system now. And you're all done, all the data is deleted, the passcode's removed, and you can navigate the phone to the home screen now. Cool phone. Like as usual, if you guys are having trouble with a certain phone you're trying to do a hard reset on, can't figure it out, or you want something special you want to see, just let me know, leave a comment, like, or subscribe, and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys.